Parmigiano and Pecorino. These two things I can explain all at once, although one has regular cow milk, Parmigiano, the other one has sheep milk, Pecorino. But the process of making it's very similar. First of all, Parmigiano Reggiano is made only from Parma and Reggio. That's why the name. It has no addiction. Again, nothing is preserved, nothing is put inside besides the milk and the salt. What is interesting about Parmigiano? They take, first of all, the animals have to be free. So literally they have to eat what they're supposed to, the grass. So that's one big difference. That's why also the milk doesn't go to spoiling and can be, you know, the more natural you can, because the animals really do eat what they have to. That's a big thing. They take the milk, from the cows, half of it right away. The other half will be the morning after, so it's naturally skimmed. To make a kilogram of Parmigiano, which is 2 pounds, you need 17 liters of milk, which is about 4.5 gallons of milk. So all you really have is calcium. Parmigiano is calcium, is a lot of milk for a little piece of